College is an exciting time, true, but there's no denying it can also be very stressful. That's where Behrend's Personal Counseling Center comes in. Personal counseling can help you navigate the unknowns, connect with fellow students, embrace wellness, and be your best self. Or, if you need services outside of what is offered, the counselors can connect you with off-campus resources. And personal counseling isn't just about one-on-one talks with a counselor, though you can schedule that too. You can also join any of the innovative group sessions, including music and meditation, workshops, and workouts. It's wellness for your whole self, mind, body, and soul. The Personal Counseling Office has greatly helped me navigate through my career as a student. I can't think of a time where I wasn't uplifted after having a one-on-one session or even playing a round of disc golf with my amazing counselors. It's great being able to have a space to talk about my experiences, however big or small they may be. I would highly recommend getting involved with the Personal Counseling Office, as it has helped me alleviate my stress as a student and I could focus on my studies. That first step may be daunting, but I promise you have nothing to worry about, as the counselors here are extremely friendly and they are more than willing to help you with whatever you may need.